So it's summertime, July, second hottest day of the year apparently. Hottest day of the year was yesterday, Monday. It gives you a bit of a reference when it was, 2022. And one thing we've got to keep an eye on at this time of year is the water levels in the pond because of the amount of evaporation. The heat and any breeze, we've got quite a strong breeze here, I don't know if you can tell. That will all take out moisture from the pond. We've turned the waterfall off because, well, there's no one here at the moment, so there's no point having it on, and that just creates more evaporation. So that helps to keep the water level down. Also, with this, you can see we've got all the plants. All the plants take out a lot of moisture when they transpire. We've also got a beach here, which, with the surface area, all the water on the stones. I mean, I put the hose on the stones just now, and it's dried up straight away. Any water that gets on those dries up straight away. So there's a lot of surface area, so the water evaporates very quickly at this time of year. So just giving it a top up. With this pond, there is no livestock in it, so there's no fish. So it doesn't matter too much about the chlorine in the water. And the amount per volume isn't that much either. So, you know, if we were putting a massive amount of water in there, the amount of chlorine would make a big difference. We're only topping it up, so it's not going to make too much difference. And having the water like this helps to evaporate some of that chlorine as it goes through. Another job we have to do is seal the pondweed in here. It's gone all through the lilies and all over there. It's taken over quite a bit, so we're going to have to remove some of that. What we do when we take that out is we carefully pull it through. If there's any snails on it, which there aren't in this pond, then we put them back in. That's the ram's horn snail, is a good one. And then we put the weed onto the side next to the pond so that any little creatures in there can crawl out and get back in. And then a little while later we'll come and collect it up and put it in the compost bin where it makes good fertiliser. We'll probably have to do that a few times of the year because, you know, the rate of pondweed's growth is exponential. You know, it doubles and then it doubles and then it doubles again. So we'll really reduce that. If there was fish in there, it'd make good cover for them because fish do get sunburnt. But we have none in here. This is just a wildlife pond, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, you can see we have our first lily out as well. I think it's the first. I haven't seen any others. So there you go.